Welcome everyone. Today I am excited to introduce you to a final project for the CS50 Python course, a handy Python program designed to track your expenses using your bank statement CSV file. Let's dive in. A little about me. My name is Igor, I am from Latvia, Riga. I like technical stuff, automation, cloud, AI, and the growing IT field itself. The program was written on Python and uses a command line console for control. This program takes your bank statement CSV file as the first argument input. It offers various functionalities based on user selection. To achieve this goal, I used such libraries as CSV for CSV reading, RE to clean data and search for pattern, sys to end program if something goes wrong, argparse to manage arguments, pandas to work with clean data, matplotlib to create data visualization. You can choose three options: to view the clean data, manually select items you're interested in, or see grouped item data. Let's start. The clean data have 35 positions and total amount spent in euro. In list mode, it neatly organizes and displays the information. For example, I want to know how I spent money in the market and for fuel. Let's track. So, the program shows not only the sum of listed items, but also the total amount. And in group mode, it sums up values under similar names for easy tracking and shows total amount. As you can see, now we have 18 positions and the same total amount. Now you can see this data output directly in your console terminal, without writing to another file or creating a new one. Optionally, the program can even generate a pie chart to visualize your expenses. Let's create a pie chart visualization from our data. You can either use default colors or personalize it by choosing your own color palette, by adding color hex by one at a time. This program serves one primary purpose: tracking your card expenses. It's tailored especially for this pattern, excluding online payments, income, outcome, or end balance. So, if you are a budgeting enthusiast or simply want to keep a closer eye on your spending, this Python program has got you covered. Thanks for watching and happy tracking!